If you're curious about fish, then you need to know this. How do they breathe underwater? Let's find out. Fish have a superpower. They can breathe underwater using gills, but how does it work? Water enters through their mouth, flows over the gills, and voila. Gills extract oxygen from the water and release carbon dioxide. Think of gills like a filter. They trap the good stuff, oxygen, and let the bad stuff, carbon dioxide, pass out. Tiny blood vessels in the gills grab that oxygen and send it to the fish's body. It's like magic, but all science. Next time you see a fish, remember, those gills are their secret to underwater breathing. Cool, right? Now you know how fish breathe, all in 60 seconds.